you everybody coming here. I'm not from Romania, so I heard that Bună ziua is the good afternoon. So good afternoon, everybody. My name is Yujin Kim, and I'm software engineer in Consider It. And I'm excited to talk about Kubernetes backup and restore solutions. Anyone with Kubernetes backup and restore experience, would you raise your hand? Yeah, okay. As you know, having a robust backup and restore strategy are important, whether it's protecting malicious effect or accidental deletions or system failures. Also, backup is only backup if you can restore it. So let's have a brief introduction about backup and restore. So in Kubernetes, we typically deal with two levels of resources when it comes to backup. Cluster level resources and application level resources. Cluster level resources include all settings and configurations for entire Kubernetes cluster, including things like cluster configuration, cluster state, etc. data, RBAC policies, and application level resources, on the other hand, deal with data and configuration that's specific to the application within the cluster, such as persistent volume, stateful application data, and so on. Now let's explore available solution in CNCF landscape. So in the landscape section in CNCF website, you can find a categorized cloud-native open source project. So I marked here, and yeah, in the cloud-native storage section, there are tools that can help provide data protection through backup and restore operations. So there are tools like Velero, Portworx, Kasten, and much more. And there you can choose the one that suits you best, considering factors that like ease of setup, open source availabilities, and popularity, and so on. For example, Velero offers easy setup, and it's open source and quite popular, but it's also lack of GUI and does not support backing up external data sources. Also, like other example can be Portworx, also easy to set up, but it has a GUI and provide comprehensive enterprise-grade solutions, but it's not open source and has a limitation and dependency for some features. And Custom K10 also easy to set up and has a GUI, but if you stay in free version, maybe lack of support and scalability maybe it's a little bit limited. So furthermore, we can consider more criteria, something like, Velero doesn't support application awareness, and Portworx and Custom K10 are different in supported public cloud storage vendors and security features. So while I was implementing backup and restore setup, I've got two takeaways. So of course, first, it's essential to have a clear understanding what you want to back up and which fit your requirement. Where, what, how often. Try to answer those questions. Of course, price matters in the cloud to use resources efficiently for a better ROI. Secondly, prepare for unforeseen events like failures, human errors, or security breaches. For that, write a clear documentation and share with your colleagues. Furthermore, test backup and restore procedure beforehand. If it's not something getting wrong and you lose the data, right? So this would help the team build experience and confidence. So far, I've talked about Kubernetes backup and restore and my key takeaways from the journey. I hope it gives a chance to think about your backup setups. Thank you very much.